You remind me of my brother.
He does. He reminds me of Uncle Richie. Yes,
Yeah,
he reminds me of Uncle Richie.
Colby and I.
Whoops.
Careful, watch that stuff there.
Was it really cushiony?
Yeah.
Look at the blue and yellow.
She really knows how to work with them.
I actually like it.
So pretty.
Oh, there's no shower in here. Oh, yes, there is back there. Can you close the door, Kath? Okay, that's a small shower, but...
Oh, here's a king size bed, Julie.
Yeah, I'll be in there in a sec. This is the cutest house I've ever seen. It's the cutest house I've ever seen.
Wait till you see the closets in the master bedroom.
This is a nice size room.
That's a nice size room.
That is a nice size room. This is a nice size room. It is.
Can you open the closet, Kath? She's my Vanna of closet opening. Oh, it's like deep. That's their office. I would... let's see, there's two.
I like the two closets.
It's actually a 4-bedroom, isn't it?
bedroom.
It's got one extra bedroom than I need. How warm. Wow, this woman knows how to decorate.
She really does. Wait, look at this wall. Here.
Oh, is this?
Is there a light?
No, that it is. That's a big size bed. And the
Yeah, it's a deep closet. That's a little hard to get under there. Steve could never get under there.
No, that would be yours.
Oh, there's more than one?
Yeah, over there. Over here. Oh,
Excuse
sorry.
me.
No, you were
By the
just
way-
looking how huge these closets are.
Yeah, this is really enough for most of our all-season clothes.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
I'm just
she
trying to
found
get
the
the
light switch.
I really love the way it was set up.
Oh my goodness, that goes way back there.
It's like the whole size of the room.
Wow.
And I like the fact that there's two of them. Yeah, yeah.